Hi friends, Suzanne here, finally. Welcome to a free card kit of the month video. In order for you to get this free card kit sent right to your door, just use the host code that's on the screen in the online store when you're shopping with me. And you'll find the current host code on my blog and a lot of different places like Facebook, social media, blah, 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 blah. But it's right there on the screen for you. So today, we are featuring it is a new paper from the catalog, from the mini catalog, and it is called Cute Halloween Designer Series paper. So here I have a piece of pumpkin pie cardstock, and it is scored at 4 1/4 and 2 1/8. So we were going to fold the card and then folds the front of the card in on itself. So this is 2 little strips, and everybody gets different strips. You get 2 little strips of this Cute Halloween Designer Series paper. And it depends on which color you want in and out. It's up to you. You get to play with it. You get 2 copies of this paper, and I tried to mix up your cardstock so that you wouldn't all have orange. And then, yeah, you're just going to place the little strips in front, and then we're going to make, it's kind of like an easel card, but it's different. And I'm going slow here because this is my first video back, and wouldn't you know it, my voice doesn't even sound normal anymore. I think I've been abusing it. Sometimes I have to talk really loud through my mask at work. And I'm thinking I'm losing my voice. Can you imagine that? And I have so many videos to do voiceovers for. Anyway, that is my problem and not yours. So this is a piece of basic white card that is included in your kit, and you will place this on the inside. So these are the bones of the dimensionals. So the little strip that goes around the dimensionals. I'm using 2 little strips, and I want to make this a fairly solid stopper. So this little extra piece here is part of the Cute Halloween 6x6 Designer Series paper. I know that we in Canada don't very often do Halloween cards. So you can put this stopper right there if you wanted, or like you can do what I'm going to do and just put it on the lower half. But I wanted to make sure that I was nice and even when I placed my little stopper. So I went about 1 inch from the bottom, and that's because I wanted to place the sentiment that I'm going to put on the inside of the card, not on the outside of the card. So I'm using this sentiment, I hope your day is a real treat, from the Pampered Pets. So anything that says treat on it, I think will work. So I'm using Stays On ink, and I'm inking up that sentiment, and I will place it down on the inside of the card. And I suppose if you had this really cute paper, you could cut out a few pumpkins and put them on the front so that it's not just 2 strips of paper. You probably could have done a lot of different things with this. I'm, just getting back into the swing of things, and I thought this was a fun easel card. It's a fun fold. And that is the free card kit for the month. You'll get 2 different variations, mix and match, and you can also put the sentiment sideways just like that. So I am back at it. So I will see you on Wednesday for a few new videos. Bye for now.